In this tutorial, we create a simple sponsorship offer that works best when you're a restaurant, hairdresser, retail store, or any type of business that has direct contact with customers. We will cover the other promotions in later tutorials. We define a sponsorship offer using a simple news promotion. This simple news item will appear in the mobile and web app and inform fans of your offer, but they cannot redeem the simple news item. They need to come into your store, make the purchase, and then you can give them a code to redeem, which is a paper-based action code. They scan this action code and send the money to their sports club. So there are 2 steps. Create a simple news promotion and link it to a paper-based action code. Step 1. Create a simple news promotion. Go to the promotion section of the dashboard and select Simple News. Give your promotion a title. This is what the fan will see in the mobile and web app. Provide a description of your sponsorship offer. Select which users we should promote your offers to and which club communities you would like it to appear in. Upload an image. This is what the fan will see with the promotion title, so make sure it's a high-quality, eye-catching image. In the advanced settings, you can determine how long the promotion is active for. Click Save and you have created your simple news promotion. Now for step 2, we are going to create the paper-based action code. Hover over Loyalty System in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Paper-based action code. Enter a title. This is for your personal reference. Enable Can Be Redeemed in Communities and then enter the amount you are going to send to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem this promotion. So in this case, it's €1. Loyalty points are typically used by clubs but are also available to sponsors. If you would like to reward your customers with loyalty points, enter the amount here, or you can leave them as 0. Enter how many action codes you would like to create. Now you can choose your design. Click Change and select from the list. Some designs will require an image, others only need a logo. Choose the color of your action code. You can preview your design by clicking Create Preview and viewing the PDF. So you can keep track of how many times your promotion was viewed in the app, we will connect it to the simple news promotion we just created. In the connection section, enter the title of your simple news promotion. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the codes will be active for. You can also choose a follow-up action for users that redeem this code. Click Save and you have created your first sponsorship offer. Depending on how many codes you are generating, it may take some time to create the PDF, but you will receive an email notification when your codes are ready. Print the codes and give them to customers that make purchases in your store. Now let's check out what users see in the app. Fans can view your simple news promotion. And now when fans visit your store and make a purchase, they will receive a paper-based action code from you. All they have to do is scan the code with the app or enter the alphanumeric code in the MyFavorito website, select their favorite club, and send them the money. And now your store will appear in their favorites list. So they will stay up to date with all your promotions and activities. And if we take a look at the sports club, your store now appears in their community. Fans can see you in the list of stores and view your location on the map.